just because one person said you should have done a bit more pseudocode doesn't mean that that's necessarily something you always have to do. It could have been their preference. Okay. So how do you draw this out? Is you take a more consultative approach before you start. So there are 4 steps. There's a kind of framework that I used to follow for these sort of heavy-duty DSNA problems, right? This is how I break it down. First and foremost is I'd validate my proposed approach as a hypothesis with the interviewer, right? I will think about the solution and the approach I'm planning to take, and I'd say, I'm sure there could be better solutions, but I'm thinking we should start here to try and unravel this. What do you think of that? Okay. Now, some of the particularly difficult ones will not give you much, or shrug and leave it to you and sort of leave you feeling naked. Don't worry about it. Okay. You've asked the question, you're trying to get their feedback. Some of them will be helpful, some of them will not at that point in time. And then you can say, well, okay, I'm going to approach it this way. I will optimize it later. Let's try and work towards a workable solution, exactly as Jade said. And so you start to move towards something working. But before you actually type out anything, if you observe yourself, you're thinking, right? Just try and think out loud. You get 2 benefits of this. One is you slow yourself down. And the second is you take the interviewer for the